You can pull any girl you want.
But from this day, I, Peter Griffin, will narrate your life.
Mr. Beast gives you 10 million $, but you have to share it with the first person that comes up after pressing share, then more. I show Speed scores a penalty, but he celebrates by flashing his willy dong bong. You make $1,000 a day by playing video games. And you lazy ass boy, I know that's your dream. But only if you press the plus icon. You could get 10 times luckier. Yeah, but you must find you birthday twin in the comments. Only if you want to, darling.